Dear YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. If you are looking to master Servicenow development, you are at right place. Please subscribe to my channel. This helps and motivate me to create good content for all of you. Hello everyone. In today's video, we will work on a simple use case of script include. Why this use case? I'll demonstrate like how a script include is called in client side and how we can return the data from script include and how we can use the data in client-side scripting. So our use case is on change of the configuration item, related model ID should populate in configuration item field. Let's understand what this use case is on the PDI. I have opened this incident table. So while we change this configuration item, let's suppose we have selected this configuration item, first one. So the model ID should automatically gets populated in this field. Currently it is not populated because it is not yet implemented in this field. Okay. So how we can achieve this use case through the script include? This can be done easily by the get reference as well, but because we are going to demonstrate this script include, we will implement this using the script include. So first what we need to create is an onChange client script because we are performing the action on changing of the configuration item. Okay. So basically on change client script runs on the browser side. It does have the access the data of the record on where we are performing the action. Okay. But we need to access the data of this table, like configuration item is referring to CMDB CI table. So how can we access the data of this CMDB CI being on this incident table? That can easily be done through the script include. So I'll go and configure a client script. I'm just giving name script include on change 10. Okay, the table is already get selected incident and the type we are going to select is the on change. On change of which field? Configuration item. Let's save this record first. Okay. I just wanted to let you know one more thing, that we have created this new field called configuration item model ID. You can create the same as well. This is a simple string type of field. You can just go here and configure form design and you can add this field like just like I have added it. You need to go here, select a string, drag it here and give the name configuration item model ID. Okay, so here is the backend name as well. You can check. Okay, this is a simple string type of field. Okay, so let's reload this first. Yet not saved. Looks like this name is already there. We need to give some other name. Okay, I'll go configure client script, font change, demo, scripting. Okay, Now, what I need to do is we need to create a script include as well. First, we will call that script include here. Okay, and we will use the logic written in script include by getting this return result of the script include. So first I need to create a script include as well. Just simply type script include. Under the system definitions, select script include. I'm giving name get ci util. Okay. Important, check this GlideAjax enable checkbox. We need to give an role as well to create an script include. This is this role user should be having to access this script include. Okay. So what I done is I just created an script include and I'll create a function within this script include as well. So get CI model. I will write logic later on. First, just call this script include on our client side. I have copied the name. Okay. How we can call? By creating a GlideAjax constructor. So I'm giving name where g equals to new GlideAjax. Okay. I'll write this is the GlideAjax constructor to call a and callable script include. Okay. Let me make it a little big. Now, once I have created this GlideAjax constructor, what I need to call is the function we have created. So we have created this function get CI model. How we can call this? By adding the parameter into it. J dot add param sysperm underscore name and pass the. Okay. Now, being on this client script, we need to pass the value, like we are going to change what value we are going to change this script in, sorry, configuration item cmdb ci. So we have the new value, like whenever we change any value in this field, that value will be saved in this new value. So I need to pass this new value to our script include. How we can do this? Just simply add a parameter and give name sysperm underscore, let's say ci. We will assign new value to this. We will pass this value being on the client side, and we will receive it from this value on the script include later on. I'll write ga dot get xml and I'll write a callback function into it. So let's understand why we use this get xml and why we are using this callback function with this. So first is cat XML return the whole XML document. It returns whole XML document. Okay, and also it does asynchronous call. A asynchronous call to the server. And in client side scripting, asynchronous call are managed by this callback function to maintain the flow of execution when the task is completed. So that's why we are using this callback function with this get XML. Now, while we are using this callback function, because callback function are passed as in parameter, so I need to create a callback function. Okay. So this get XML is returning whole XML document. We need to fetch the particular data which we are returning by this script include. So how we can do this is, I just need to write where answer equals to response dot response XML dot document element dot get attribute, and pass answer into it. And why this answer variable? You can check this. What you can check this abstract regex processor. It is clearly mentioning like how we can extract this return result to this through this answer variable. There is an function called set answer is created within this abstract regex processor. So I am using that. Hope this is clear to all of you. Now, whatever the return result is from this script include, this will automatically now get shaped in this answer variable. Okay. So now we need to build our script include logic to fetch the model ID of configuration item we selected. Okay. So for this to do, we need to make a server call to our CMDB CI table. How we can do this is simply through the glide record. Called CMDB CI because this is the table referenced in this configuration item. I'll show you. Okay. This table I'm using. Okay. CMDB CI. So I'll simply write a query, add query, and sysID should be matching with the sysID we are getting while we select. Like whatever is select here, it should matches with it. So this value is getting where I'm getting this value using the new value. So new value is saved in this dot get parameter. Okay, query this. Next, what I simply need to do is return the model ID. Gr dot. Let's copy the model ID. The backend name of model ID is simply model underscore ID. And again, this is again a reference field. So I need to select the display value. What I'll do is copy this, get display value. Okay. So whatever result returned by this script include logic will automatically be saved in this answer variable. Okay. And what I need to do is on change of this configuration item, we need to select the model. So this value we will populate in model ID. How we can do this? G underscore form dot set value. Copy the backend name of this u underscore cmd underscore model. Answer. Hope I have not made any mistake in this and our use case will work. So just save this record, save this script include as well one more time. Okay. I'm opening a new record in incident form. So if I'm selecting a model, you will see here the model value has automatically gets populated. Let's change for another model. Let's say this Apple MacBook 13. Yeah, it is successfully getting changed. So our use case is implemented. We have seen in this video like how we are calling a GlideAjax, how we are passing the value, how this get XML works. Okay, we have two other method as well. Let me explain it to you. We have this get XML answer. If we are using this at get XML answer, we will not need to write this line because this get XML answer will automatically extract the answer value. Okay. Also, we have this get XML wait as well. Get XML wait make synchronous call. It doesn't make asynchronous call. Okay. So this is the complete demonstration of this use case. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video if you get some knowledge through it. Thank you so much for watching.